All right, so here we are with Justine.
G'day.
Just wanted to ask you a few questions.
Absolutely.
What was your life like before Bod Squad?
You know, before Bod Squad, I was going to the gym. Got really boring and tiring. Same old, same old. Just got sick of it, so I decided I wanted a new challenge, basically. So I got online, found Bod Squad. Here I am.
And challenging enough?
Challenging enough. Great,
Yeah.
great. Lots of different things that we're doing. I love the instructors. I love the people too. I come for the people as well.
Yeah.
The social life is really good. Makes it fun, and everybody eggs each other on. And so
you've had some good results?
I have had some good results in the
Yeah.
last few weeks. I've been trying really hard. Of course, it's down to me and eating. You know, coming here and doing the exercise is one of the easiest things. The hardest thing is back at home, the eating. But I've tried to be really good, and so the results are there. So excellent.
So what's your favourite thing about Bod Squad?
I think back to what I said before. I like the social life actually.
But the exercise is really good too.
So that's why I'm here.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Thanks,
absolutely.
Justine.